Hi, this is Mark with At My Home, and today we got ourselves a new MacBook Air. This is the new 13-inch MacBook Air. We got the model with 16 gigabytes of memory and 512 gigabytes of SSD. It's a 2-core model, and let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. So let's see, they have a nice little tear strip to pull off the plastic. Take a look at this unit here. Here we go. There we go. All right, the lid's off. Take a look at that. Cute looking logo, Apple logo. And we'll pull out the unit. Pretty nice. Nicely packaged. So let's take a look. What else is in the box? This is the USB-C to USB-C cable for charging it. There's the case with the Apple stickers in it. I'm not going to look at the Apple stickers. And here is the charging block. It's actually nice. It's a little bit smaller than the one I have on my old MacBook Air from 2011. So charging cable, power brick, and the MacBook Air. But it's pretty nice. It's pretty small. Let's take the paper off. Fantastic. Comes right off. And there we go. The new MacBook Air. Check how thin that is. It's just a gorgeous looking machine. You see this side here is the headphone jack. On the other side are 2 USB-C ports. That's it. That's all the ports there are. It's very lightweight, very easy to hold. Nice looking finish. We open it up. Let's take a look. Paper on the screen, so it looks nice. And look at this. Look how beautiful that is. Nice big trackpad, so forced touch trackpad. The new butterfly keyboard. The system's already booting up after I open the lid. But look at that, really thin bezels on this machine. It looks fantastic. Let's let this thing go ahead and boot up, but it's pretty nice. While I'm letting this boot up, I think you can see it right here. It's nice, beautiful screen. Here's my old MacBook. Take a look at this.
Just the main language. Press the return key.
He even talks to you. Look at that. So here's the new machine, and here's the old machine. Take a look at this. Look at the screen here. You can see my login here. But hardly any bezel here, black edges. Here it's all silver. Same size screen basically, but lower resolution. It just looks so much better than the new machine. Of course, it's 7 years newer. The trackpad isn't quite as big. But dimension-wise, it's a little bit, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's a little bit shorter. And if you were to put this thing side to side, you'd find it's a little bit narrower than this older machine. But it's looks pretty nice. Looks pretty nice. Now, one thing that we had to get with it is that I do like to charge up my Apple Watch, and this little dongle, this is a dongle world now, will take the USB-C connector here to allow me to plug in the charging adapter for my Apple Watch. That's one dongle we need. And then the other dongle we have that we have to purchase separately is the USB-C to Lightning connector, and that'll let me, of course, charge the iPhone. So this is all we need, these 3 things. System's up and running. You need one more cable to do the power, and you need a power brick in order to power up the unit. So that's it. That's the unboxing of the new MacBook Air 13-inch. Beautiful machine. I got it in space gray, a little different from the previous one, which was silver. So that's it. This is Mark with At My Home. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the new MacBook Air.